The concept of Kanban originated in the manufacturing industry in Japan in the 1940s, pioneered by Toyota as part of the Toyota production system. It was initially used as a scheduling system to improve efficiency and reduce waste in manufacturing processes. Over the years, Kanban boards have evolved from physical cards and whiteboards to digital platforms, making them accessible to a wide range of industries and applications, including project management. Kanban boards are visual tools that help teams manage workflows simply and intuitively. They consist of columns representing different stages of work, with cards representing tasks or work items. Begin by creating your Kanban board. Customize it to match your project's workflow by adding columns that represent the stages your tasks will go through, such as backlog, to do, in progress, and done. Adding tasks to your Kanban board is as easy as creating cards and placing them in the appropriate column. As tasks progress, simply drag and drop them from one column to the next. Leave a like if you ever feel like reorganizing the boards made by other team members. Limiting work in progress is a central part of the Kanban methodology. That way, teams can prevent overloading and focus on completing tasks efficiently. Visualizing work in progress also helps identify and address bottlenecks in the workflow. One of the greatest strengths of Kanban boards is their ability to provide insights into team performance. By analyzing metrics such as lead time and cycle time, teams can identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize their workflow. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to mastering project management with Kanban boards. Ready to take your project management to the next level? Try out Kanbanchi, the only task and project management tool designed for Google Workspace.